Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo R line finished in a Reflex Silver Paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a nippy city upgrade. This vehicle comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors, followed by automatic headlights so you know they'll always be on, sat on stunning 17-inch York black alloy wheels, complementing the silver paintwork nicely. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a fantastic area of 351 litres, perfect for all your necessities. Moving into the rear of the car with a full cloth upholstery, offering a relaxing and stylish finish, with charging ports accessible from the rear. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the full cloth finish falls through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The cruise control and speed limit features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. Following on with the navigation system where you can get your directions a lot easier and also making it safer whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify, Apple Music or even your messages whilst on the go. For the extra safety, you've got your parking sensors, perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks where parking can be tight. Your climate controls will be found below screen, where you can access your heated seats with 2 different heating settings, perfect for them colder days. Finishing off with a central console with wireless charging, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.